Hello! Malapit nga ba ang Regal Oriental sa Disneyland? Tara, samahan niyo ako and i-check natin kung malapit nga ba. Okay, let's go. So, paglabas natin ng Regal Oriental Hotel, punta tayo sa Songwon Toy Station. So, lakarin nyo lang yan, like 10 minutes lang yan from hotel to the station. And then, galing sa Songwon Toy Station, pin nyo yung lane ng Twenma, going to Namchong kayo. So, papunta kayong Namchong. Pagdating nyo ng Namchong, yung station na, so, yung lane na Tongchong, then hanapin nyo yung Sunny Bay Station. Yun yung bababaan nyo, yung Sunny Bay Station. Again, Namchong Station to Sunny Bay Station. Pagbaba nyo ng Sunny Bay Station, baba lang kayo doon, parang 6 minutes lang yan. Pwede pa kayo mag-picture dyan. Ang cute kasi nung train nila, yung Mickey train. Yeah. Then, baba na kayo ng Disneyland Resort. So, after nyan, nakita nyo na mismo yung Hong Kong Disneyland. Papasok na kayo. So, parang 54 minutes siya. Yun yung estimated time ng travel nyo from Regal Oriental Hotel to Disney. Hope it helps sa pagde-decide nyo kung saan kayo magbubook ng hotel. Use my Klook code to get 5% discount and booking your hotels and activities, Klook Luries. And for Agoda naman, Agoda Hotel, 10% discount, Agoda Luries. And for activities, Agoda Luries B. So, save this for future travels and yung mga discount codes ko para mas makatipid ka. Pwede siya sa Hong Kong Disneyland din and sa iba't ibang bansa. This is valid worldwide. So, hope it helps po. Enjoy and be safe. Bye-bye!